Hello everybody, today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and what I'm going to do today, I haven't had any breakfast yet, and it's about 1 o'clock, a little after 1, but I went to open, if you can see it there, beef roast. I canned this August of 2016, and I opened it up, and I took the broth out of it, and I made some gravy, and there it is, if you can see it. It's in there anyhow. So I'm going to pour this in here, and I'm going to let it all warm up. If I can get it out of here. And I'm going to have this, well, then the microwaves were reminding me that it's done. But I'm going to have this with some rice. This is just another storage idea that you can get from your stock that you have put up. Oh, it smells so good. I don't have as much beef put up as I would like to, but maybe I will be able to figure that out in the future. Put that in there. And y'all saw how I put up the rice in the fold lock top bags, and it's very hot. Very hot. So I'm going to leave that lay right there till my beef is done. And what I'm going to do is kind of shred this up as I stir it. You don't have to. It's just makes it easier to eat with the rice. And with this, you could do a lot of things: potatoes and carrots, onions, whatever you want. But I don't put anything in with my beef roast besides a little bit of salt whenever I can it. That way you can do whatever you want to with it when you open it. But I'm going to put you on pause for just a minute, and we'll be back when this is good and hot. Okay, we're back. And this is good and hot now. Trying to see, get you to, there it is. A little bit. Anyhow, I'm going to take my rice. And when you're doing this, you have to be very careful and grab the corners so that you don't burn yourself. And it comes out in a plop. Get me a fork. My bowl was squeaking. Did you hear it? Okay, now I'm going to take some of this. Just scoop it right on out. I'll have something to do something with for dinner. Okay, and I always eat it with soy sauce. Isn't this bowl pretty? Got this from Home Goods. I think that's what this, no, Kitchen Collection, or Connection, whichever it is. But yeah, we've got one at the mall. And I don't know if they were closed or not. I heard a rumor that said they were going to close, so I don't know. But it reminded me of my mother, so I had to buy that one. I bought another one too, and I think the other one is in a blue. Okay, and here's the taste test. So good. Yummy. Okay, that's it for today. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Y'all take care, stay safe, and please stay healthy. Bye.